What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another Kayotic Motorsports video. We are definitely keeping busy here. I'm going to start this one off by progress check on the GSX. I just put in a couple hours on it. So that is how we're looking. We got the head on, new head gasket. The intake manifold is back on, new gasket on that as well, obviously. Fuel rail is in, fuel injectors are in there. And just to recap on that, those are 1250cc injectors from Fuel Injector Clinic, powered by a 255 Walbro pump, hardwired, so you get the constant 5 volts or 12 volts out of that. So yeah, that's where we're at. Valve cover's not on, I just set it on there so we don't get crap into the valve train there. So it's just sitting on there. And we got time to do still gotta swap the turbo out. But yeah, we're coming right along on that. And for the real reason that I'm doing this video, which is for Evo 8 stuff, you can see got it all torn apart back here. The reason it's that far torn apart is because my valve cover gasket was leaking, so I had to take the valve cover off, replace that. So that is done, and I figured while I have it off, as to not damage the fresh powder coat that you guys saw in the last video, I'm going to do the spark plugs with it off. So I did go ahead 4 NGK iridiums for it. Did have slight misfire, so that's why I'm replacing those right now. Tomorrow is the Spring DSM Evo breakdown in Marion at the Marion County Speedway. Shout out to Kevin Jewer, owns that track and is putting on this event. So we are heading there in the Evo tomorrow. Should be a good time. I'm not sure if I'm just going to test and tune or if I'm going to run a bracket or what I'm going to do yet. But yeah, so that's tomorrow. I might put some of the footage of that on the end of this video. So if you want to see that, stay tuned for that at the end of this video. And then the big reason why, and you know this from the title already, why I'm doing this video is because I bought something, a little something special. I have here a prototype of what may be the new Busher Racing coil unplug setup. They are not currently on the market. I just happened to know a guy and got a hold of that, so we are trying that out. There is another one of those on a what's supposed to be 1,000 horsepower Evo that is going on the dyno pretty soon, and if the coil unplug setup holds up to that 1,000 horsepower, they are going to start marketing it, so that's cool. I'm super excited to be having prototype of the Busher Racing anything really, especially now that Dave Busher is taking back over. Super excited about that. So we're gonna keep working on getting this thing all together and hopefully take it out to Busher and get it tuned here pretty soon. So yeah, look out for those videos in the upcoming future. And now I'm going to get to work on installing all this stuff. So I will be right back once everything is in and put back together. Alright, y'all, we're back. Valve cover is back on and tight, so hopefully no more leaks from that. Everything else is hooked back up with the exception of the coil unplug setup. So this is, like I said, a Busher Racing prototype. Got the Denso coils on it. It literally just falls into place right there. You press it onto your plugs. It is a plug and play, so these plugs on the end go right into the plugs that went to the old waste spark setup it had on it. So we just plug those in, plug all the other electrical connectors that go over top here in, and we are good to go. It was that easy. You guys just watched. It took like 2 minutes to do all that. There's how we look. I like it. I still could run the carbon fiber coil cover, but I don't think I'm going to. At least not for now. It needs to be refinished anyway. So I think it's good enough for now. As for the plugs I pulled out actually don't look that bad. So I'm kind of thinking that that's not going to fix the problem, which then leads me to either injectors, mass airflow, or the tune that's on it, because it's an unknown tune. I have no idea what's going on in there. AFRs are always good. Like I said, the plugs look good. So the tune's obviously okay, but we do have a misfire. So that's going to, oh no, I said I might take video of the show tomorrow. So here's some clips from the DSM Evo Spring Breakdown at Marion County Raceway. Don't know, this car does not come rear-wheel drive. Purges nitrous. Another one getting sideways. They might need to do some prep on this. At 141. Twin disc rattling in there. Powered by Bushers. You're good. I appreciate it though.
I'm glad you get to come here too, isn't it
One day.